Let us now travel to another beautiful place on Earth located in China, Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is a protected natural area in Hunan Province, China, renowned for its towering sandstone pillars. It is part of the larger Wulingyuan Scenic Area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and has become internationally famous for inspiring the floating Hallelujah Mountains in Avatar.
Key facts. Location: Wulingyuan District, Zhangjiajie, Hunan, China. Established 1982. Area: around 48 square miles or 124 square kilometers. UNESCO status: part of the Wulingyuan Scenic Area since 1992. Famous features: pillar-like quartz sandstone formations, Bailong Elevator, Golden Whip Stream. Geological features: Zhangjiajie's landscape is dominated by more than 3,000 narrow sandstone pillars, some rising over 600 feet, 200 meters. These formations were sculpted by physical erosion, weathering, and plant root growth over millions of years. The park's unique karst-like quartz sandstone topography is rare globally and supports a wide range of micro-ecosystems. Ecology and biodiversity. The park lies within a subtropical moist forest zone, harboring rich biodiversity. It is home to over 700 plant species, including many rare ferns and ancient ginkgo trees. Wildlife such as macaques, Chinese giant salamanders, and various bird species inhabit the cliffs and ravines, thriving in the park's preserved ecosystems. Tourism and cultural impact. Zhangjiajie is one of China's most visited natural parks. Popular sites include the Zhangjiajie Scenic Area, Tianzi Mountain, and the glass-bottom Zhangjiajie Skywalk on nearby Tianmen Mountain. The area's dramatic scenery has influenced visual art, film, and Chinese landscape painting traditions, symbolizing harmony between humans and nature. Conservation and access. The park maintains strict ecological protection policies while accommodating millions of tourists yearly through sustainable infrastructure like electric buses and cable cars. Ongoing efforts focus on balancing conservation with tourism, ensuring the preservation of its distinctive pillar mountains for future generations.